Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again and I will show you how to edit um, any HTML menus here. As you can see here, here is an default menu. It is an HTML menu. So today I will show you or take you how to add the links and edit the names of your bloggers menu here. It is a default. It's coming from the sim. So all the sim have already create this menu. But you think if you don't like or you don't want that names, you can change it by yourself by going to edit HTML code by and then change its name. So now go ahead and log into your Blogger account and then go to the theme here. Click on themes and you will go to the edit HTML here. So click on edit HTML and here we have 1,000 of code. So I recommend you to find this word, for example the home like this. So press Ctrl F to find and type the home and type this word because the home is appearing as a word, not a code. So go ahead and click enter. Okay, if you enter one time it's not showing, so you need to enter one more time and more and okay, it here. It is called ABAAKHPP start text. So here is the three menus of the ABAAKHPP that is called the menus bar here, and it is also the error page here. So you're gonna choose as you can rename it to whatever you want. Just like today, this one I'm gonna change it to anything or any else. So for example, I'm gonna type, gonna click on that and hit delete, and make sure that you have properly typed it. Don't try to delete any part of the code here inside this. So it can be error if you are trying to delete or you have wrong delete of any part, although it is a small part of the code. So now I'm gonna type whatever you want, for example about me, just like this, and here's the context, and the error page you can also change its name also. You can change it to whatever you want. I'm gonna type this YouTube. Okay, and now after you have done this, you're gonna click on save. Okay, wait a few seconds. After you have been saved, you're gonna refresh the page here. So now everything is changed. You can see here the word have been changed, like about, context, and YouTube. But it looks like they do not have any link yet. So to add a link, you need to edit again by find this name of the code inside HTML by pressing Ctrl F and find. Like for example, I'm gonna find home because it is still appearing the home word on the menu here, so it make you fast and easy to find. So when you click on that, it is nothing appearing here. It is you can say the hash mark, but if you want to add the home page, for example, when someone's clicking on the home, it will take them to the home page. the front page. So go ahead and copy the link, the top link here, and now gonna replace it just inside the dot, the apostrophe, and pass it like this. Okay, now we're gonna pass it like this. You can also delete the slash mark here, or if you like. And now I'm gonna click that save. Okay. And now when we're gonna refresh first, because for editing every page should be refreshed. And now, for example, we are uh, opening on this page, and if you want to go back to the home, you can also click this. So every link is now returning to the home page. And you can also add the YouTube link just like this. Now I'm gonna show you how to add YouTube link. For example, my channel. Okay, my channel here. So you can copy the URL of the link here on the top side, and then go to edit HTML again and find the place that call home, and you can also search the YouTube's name here, because we have already changed it inside the HTML code. So go ahead, and now we can see here the YouTube is at the bottom of the outer wrappers code. So now I'm gonna replace this hash mark with your link, with your YouTube link, just like this. And make sure that you have keep all apostrophe just between this mark. And now I'm gonna click on save. Okay, after you save, you have been to you need to refresh the page here. And when people or somebody is trying to click on YouTube, it will take you directly to your channel like this. So it is but if you want to make link in open in a new tab or open in a new window like this, so you need to add some small little more code. Now we're gonna show you. First you need to go back to that place again. Okay, and here. So if you want to people click on a YouTube, and it will opening a new page just like this. So we need to add a small HTML code just inside this, just after the apostrophe here. Now I'm gonna show you that it is just between, or we can say after. And now I'm gonna space first, click on space, and then type target, target, and with equal like that, and then underscore like this, and then I don't know how to call that mark. Sorry guys. And now click on blank, and then add one mark here. So the code is like this. Okay, it is a small code. And now I'm gonna click on save. Okay, click on save. Now when the people is trying to sorry. Okay, we have Thai Brown code here. The underscore is inside this place. So I'm sorry too that I have been confusing. So it is here like this. You need to add one short code like this, and every link that every people that click on the YouTube word, it will take you to the new window. So now I'm gonna click on save like this. Okay, and now we refresh the page again, and now we have to test all together. When we click on the YouTube, it will take them to the news windows just like this. So it's here now and click again. Okay, it's still opening a new window just like this. So I hope you guys understand about it, and you can also even change all of this word or this name by going to search for example, the sport, the game. So you can click on Control F and find, for example, the games, because all this name is living in the same place. So you can check or type any word of their name because they are staying at close each other inside the HTML code. So just like this, you can see here the home is here. It is home, but it has been instead of the logo with that word, the logo home with that word. And after that we have a business, and here is the business. So you can change to whatever you want, and you can change whatever you want. So I thank you for this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Good luck.